This is supposed to say hello everybody, this is clarkiplying. Or whatever.
Hello everybody, this is clarkiplying.
There is a air show coming tomorrow, and we're gonna make a video for it. And I have I have my selfie stick with me, and then I can use that. So yeah. I know. What are you doing? Alright, we'll make a video tomorrow. So I'm just on this right now. Wait, stop shaking the chair. And yeah. I'm editing the videos right now, so
Can we make a video now?
we are making a video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We might make a Pokemon video today, so thank you for watching.